Overview. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is expected to build on the legacy of its predecessors with a blend of refined luxury and cutting-edge performance. Key features and updates may include performance. Anticipate advanced engine options, potentially including a more powerful V8 or even hybrid powertrains to boost performance and efficiency. Improvements in handling and driving dynamics are also expected. Design. The 2025 Vantage is likely to showcase a sleek, modern design with aerodynamic enhancements. Expect aggressive lines and a distinctive front grille, maintaining Aston Martin's signature look while integrating new styling cues. Interior. The cabin is expected to offer a high level of craftsmanship with premium materials, advanced technology, and customizable options. Features might include the latest infotainment systems, enhanced driver assistance technologies, and luxurious seating. Technology. Expect the latest in driver aids and connectivity, including advanced navigation systems, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving features. Pricing. While exact figures can vary, the Vantage will likely remain in the higher price range, reflecting its luxury status and performance capabilities. This model aims to continue Aston Martin's tradition of delivering high-performance sports cars with a blend of elegance and innovation.